Hey everybody, welcome to another AI exploration video where today we're going to actually be completing our YouTube video by going and finding and looking for the best AI YouTube thumbnail creators. So obviously we are looking at the free trials, free versions because we're looking at onboarding and everything. My name is Shaved Magin Bihari. I am the president and founder of eCentury Agency and this YouTube channel, eCentury Agency Insights. So, without further ado, I just learned some new thing on OBS. That's what I'm using to record this. If you guys want a video on OBS, I can definitely do that for you guys, showing you what I'm learning as well as what I'm doing to capture these things. So, without further ado, let's go straight into it. Okay, so where do we normally start all of our stuff? On Google. So, Google, I need you to please find me a YouTube thumbnail generator that is free. I don't really want to do much editing or any of that. I mean, I do have capability in that, but for the purpose of this video, I want us to just just go through the different AI image generators and thumbnail generators and see what type of results it gives us. So I do already have that first video in mind. I don't know if you guys are coming from that video or perhaps you are just looking at my channel for the first time. Thank you and welcome. We are learning, and this isn't meant to be a polished video in any sense. Very limited editing. You can even hear there's ahs and ums, but we will tackle tools later on like Descript and other paid tools that will actually have the capability of removing that ums, ahs, so you sound really professional and promising, yeah. So without that being said, let's get into, okay, Canva is obviously one, but I want something that's just going to take a prompt and go for that. So let's just quickly look at VidIQ. Okay, AI YouTube thumbnail generator. Get thumbnails for free. That sounds quite promising and looks like they do have something. No design skills. So vidIQ is quite a cool video editing, video creating. Let's see what else. Free AI tools. So if you guys like vidIQ, I'll leave the link in the description. So let's make the thumbnail AI thumbnail maker. So I think that's what we're looking for. Yep. Okay, so the first product we're trying out is vidIQ. Let's get thumbnails for free. Again, the sign up super easy because I've come here as a user on a need to generate YouTube thumbnails. And with that, I love this two-click sign up. This two-click sign up is amazing. If you guys have a software product and you're struggling to get users, struggling to get that, just try your best to implement something like this. The Google sign up, the single sign on system. So it's asking us to connect a channel, and you know what, I actually would had I actually have these videos. I have another travel channel. I can connect it like that. But for the purpose of this video, we are working only on eCentury Agency Insights. So let's skip that for now. So what will we make videos about? Well, AI tools and automations. Okay. What topics inspire your content? Artificial intelligence, productivity tools, automations, software automations. Yeah, these look good. Oh, okay. So now it's asking me to pay, but it said free. You know what? I would pay, but I'd actually prefer to, wait, what was that? Okay, so we're in. There's a Chrome extension. You can connect your channel. There's like a little bit of gamification here. So level 1 foundations, master algorithm, attract viewers, amass viewers. So looking at this tool, it's looking quite promising. The pricing wasn't too bad as well. So let's check for what we actually wanted to. We can generate a whole video idea. So this is like a all-in-one kind of YouTube video generation solution. So let's create a thumbnail. I can add my content here. And the thing is, I want it to be, not clickbaity. Even though clickbait is what sells, I don't know, let's see what it will do if I can upload my video. So yeah, that was yesterday's video. I think this is the one. Hey guys, I'm Sean. Yes. Okay, we'll upload that. And then I'll say, okay, so there's no talking feature, so I can't really describe my prompt, but I will ask ChatGPT. Good old faithful, I'm sure you saw that Chrome tab open. I'm sure that's like after Google, ChatGPT. So, hey ChatGPT, I've created a YouTube video basically vibe coding a screen locking app, or attempting to do that. I want you to please help me come up with some ideas about a possible YouTube thumbnail using your expertise as a YouTube expert. So I want the video to really, be captivating in a sense that it's just me with a screen walkover. I'm using OBS Studio, and this thumbnail has to be used in a sense for engaging videos, engaging people to watch my videos, growing my channel, as well as looking good, being clear, being descriptive, inviting curiosity, inviting people. The video is 1 hour and 6 minutes long. It is my first video on the channel, and I've got a lot of learning to do, but that's why I'm relying on you as a YouTube expert to give me some thumbnail ideas about vibe coding, lovable.dev, uh, bolt.new, using Claude Code, doing market analysis. So like really finding out, if vibe coding can actually build that. So the conclusion I did come to is that when it comes to requiring permissions, vibe coding apps are not the best ideal solution. They actually don't build native apps. They do build PWAs, it's a progressive web application. But yeah, finding out that question, using the tools, joining me for the journey is something that I want in this particular thumbnail video. But again, I'm relying on your expertise, so let's do this together. Right, guys. So I think that was a bit of a lengthy prompt. I mean, again, I'm no prompt engineer, prompt expert, but I hope that this can generate us a good type of thumbnail. So they've got a hacker energy style. I think answering this question, does vibe coding work, is quite cool. I think we're gonna go for a mystery and discovery idea. So you guys will probably, be here or not be here because of this thumbnail. So, okay. All right. So ChatGPT, we are going to go for the mystery and discovery style. I do also like the fact that you are using the logos of lovable.dev and bolt.new in your tool showdown style. So if you could actually help me blend the two, what I'm thinking is, does vibe coding work with bolt.new versus lovable.dev? We tried building a screen locking app. So like maybe a screen timer app, like layout. I do have a UI of the screen tracking app. So I don't know if that is something that you want me to deliver to you, or if I should actually, go ahead and use whatever prompt that you give me for that. So, based on your experience, what do you think I should do? Do you think I should upload more images for a reference and work with me to create a really engaging YouTube thumbnail? All right, guys, so we've got our prompt there. Okay. Okay. All right, guys. So there is this requirement for this thumbnail. Okay. Okay, so I am gonna look at that. So let's go to lovable.dev. We have a project there. Yep. Where can we see that? Where can we see that? Here. All right. So this is kind of the outcome that lovable.dev went to. And I think that, using this one, preview, let's take a screenshot of this, guys. What do you think? I just wish I could actually get a whole, I could preview this on the cloud. Duh. What if I just publish that? Publish. Okay, so we're learning a bit more about Lovable as well. Starting a live preview. Publishing, publish, published. Okay, so let's check this out. I'll leave this link for you guys to check out if you want to check out what we built. Okay, so for me to screenshot that, I just need to make it a bit smaller. Just so that they get a little hint of what we are going for. Okay, so let's get from the great job today to the bottom. Yeah, this will be the home screen of the app as well. So, all right, let's see if, all right, let's see what, okay, I don't want to up. Wait 9 hours to upload. Damn, son. All right. So whenever I hit a paywall, I am, very conscious about trying to save money. So let's go to Gemini. Obviously, this is going to be a whole different thing because it is from a different AI tool, AI LLM. So, all right. So what happens is that I have maxed out my uploads on ChatGPT. So I want you to summarize what we've already done and what conclusion we've come to regarding my YouTube thumbnail. And I need you to please summarize it because I'm going to hand it off to another tool, Google Gemini, to complete the prompt that I want. So, is it possible for you to please come to a summary or summarize what we've done so that something else can take over your work thus far, keeping the same core idea, that mystery, as well as discovery attempt, and yeah, give me a summary that I can just take so that Google Gemini can take over and it's contextually accurate so that we can continue the prompt creation process in Gemini. Now let's see what happens here because Gemini is different, but it's also pretty good. If there's any other LLMs that you guys recommend, please let me know in the comments. Okay. Yeah, perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, so let's go here. Just copied and paste. I want to upload my screenshot. Okay, I don't know where that screenshot went. But yeah, let's just take another one. Okay, send that. Upload. I just let it come to my desktop. You know what? Let's also get a nice picture of me. Even if it's maybe not the right outfit I'm wearing. I was wearing a black tracksuit. Now I'm wearing a brown one. But okay, guys, I'm just gonna switch to the other screen. You're gonna see my face full up, so don't be alarmed. Don't worry. I'm gonna take a screenshot now. Okay, there's a picture for you guys. All right, so now we've got the screenshot. I'm gonna add the other one. Not a bad picture if I do say so myself. And this is why I like Gemini because there's more usage. It's different, but it's not bad. I mean, wait till we get to Kimi and DeepSeek and all the Asian, Chinese LLMs. You guys are really gonna enjoy using those tools. There was a video I was watching where this guy actually saved 10 times the amount of his spend on videos because he just swapped from Google VO3 to ByteDance Seed Dance 1.0 or something. So I'm going to also look at that stuff, guys. And if you're following along, you're gonna enjoy the journey with me, and you're gonna learn something new. But yeah, let's complete this. Hey, Gemini. So I have created these two photos and uploaded for you to add to the description that I've given you for this particular YouTube video thumbnail. I would like you now to help me craft a prompt using these images so that we can create a YouTube AI generated thumbnail with minimal editing. I want it again to be as engaging and insightful and productive in terms of generating me views and getting people hooked on my videos, in a sense that, you know, they want to see me solve that problem. They want me to, you know, go along the journey with me and learn. So if you can help me accomplish this goal within Gemini, or using another AI tool, please help me finish this YouTube prompt, YouTube thumbnail prompt. Okay, there we go. So I've uploaded those. Let's see what happens. Also, because I'm creating on YouTube, YouTube is a Google product. So maybe using Gemini is actually more effective than ChatGPT. ChatGPT was the OG. Well, I don't even know if it's the OG, but it was the loudest LLM. And everybody just started flocking to it, and now it's got like crazy amount, 500 million active users or something a week. Okay, I'm just gonna copy and paste this. I'm gonna copy and paste this into Gemini and see if it can actually generate me something. I'll copy and paste this also into, let's see. Please create the following thumbnail using the prompt below and images shared above. Alright guys, so let's see what happens here. But we're also wanting to use that same prompt here. So let's do this. I wanna upload faces and objects here on, can I upload two? There's face, perfect. Add, UI, open. Yeah, that looks legit. What do you guys think? Oh, yeah, I think that's cool. Okay, how do I accept save subject? Continue. Create. Okay. So now we play. Ooh, guys, this is cool. This is cool, huh? What do you think? Let me know. Let me get out of the way here. Oops. Let me get out of the way. I think that's pretty cool. I think I'd use that one too. All right. I'm actually liking this one. I wish the verse was a bit bigger. But yeah, you guys are gonna watch me. Let's refine it. Let's see if we can actually refine it. Because I want the verse a bit different. And I don't think this is Lovable's logo. No, it's not. That heart is the logo. Okay. But I like how it's taken out the background. This one hasn't taken out the background. But I don't think it's done a bad job. Okay, so let's see. Open. Add. Upload. That. There we go. Okay. Remove background. Oh no. No, I've glitched it. Okay, remove this background. Okay, it's done a good job removing this background. Let's just make me a bit bigger. Okay. I want to get lovable AI. Let's get the logo. Let's just take this logo, lovable, and then bolt.new. Let's take a simple logo. Do you want the B? I think the bolt.new. Oh, just bolt AI. Let's see, what does it use? Let's look for a compelling logo. Yeah, see, lovable versus bolt. Which one's better? Let's get the B. The B. Okay. Just add. Lovable. And then I just want a nice verse sign. I wonder if I should. I'm basically making my own thumbnail here, and that's not what I wanted, but I'm just having such a good time. Yeah, let's go with the verses. Does this count as copyright infringement? Well, I'm sure I'll get the Ooh, that's a cool one. Ooh. Yeah, let's take this one. Oh, screenshotting for the win. Guys, I'm actually feeling like a professional YouTuber now. I know these videos are not the most polished, not the most refined, but I feel like I'm doing a good job. You've seen the outcomes come to life with me. Okay, let's upload. There we go. Okay, now let's save the subject. We've given it this. You know what? I actually want to look at this. Okay, so you see I have created this already. And you know what? It's looking like it's coming together, at least what I want it to be. Ish. Okay, perfect. Just want to get that blue out. Screenshot again. The power of screenshots, guys. Welcome to 2025. Hey, upload. There we go. Hey Gemini, I would like you to use this image as a reference, as well as, you know, what we're going for, this cyberpunk kind of inviting, technical, but yet still cool and intriguing, in a sense that I want to engage viewers. I want people to click on my video and see the outcome. So use that image that I've attached to refine the thumbnail and create it for me now. Thank you. Tanko. Uncle. Thank you, Uncle. I hate you, Uncle. You know? You see, you guys have seen that meme. I wish I had some editing skills. I'd put that meme in right now. Put it in. That's what he said. Oh, that's what she said. Okay. Save subject. Thanks for joining me, guys. Let's see. I think this one looks cool. Use the image attached to create an engaging thumbnail. Title it I tried vibe coding a screen time app. Here's what happened. Instead of that, and this is what happened, and this happened. Okay, let's see what it does for us. The best thing about this tool is that it's actually free, as well as Gemini. Let's see what it's got. Okay. Well, Gemini didn't use this image that well. Can hear the disappointment in my face. I'm like that. I'm like your dad. I'm Gemini's dad. Just. And you drop the catch. It's okay, son. It's not okay. Okay. Gemini, I need you to create a YouTube thumbnail based on the image that I've given you. Please incorporate all of the elements that are in the image. Just tweak it slightly. Just tweak it. Tweak it slightly. And make it YouTube ready. So guys, let's see what happens. I'm just gonna give a little pause here because I wanted to, have some time to generate. Okay, I'm back now, and yeah, we're looking at the thumbnails. So we're probably going to finish up this video now. We've explored Gemini, ChatGPT, and VidIQ. So I'm going to leave the links in the description. I think Gemini has done a good job, but what do you guys think is a better caption? Do you think? Hold on. Let's go. Let's go for this. Gemini, I want you to please rework the title to I tried building a screen locking, or let's say screen time app, and this is what happened. Screen time app, and this is what happened. Okay, perfect. Alright, so I don't think we're actually going to get anything better than this. For the sake of this video, let's do it and publish the video finally. So I'm going to go to YouTube. Got this here. Upload file. Downloads. Okay. So, yeah. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, was that really that tough? Did AI significantly save my time? I'd say yeah. I did end up, having to piece everything together, but the pieces came out decent. So I'm going to finish up my video. And with that being said, I am Shavid Magan Bihari, and I'm grateful for you taking the time out of your day to learn, to explore, and to grow with me. So let's keep doing that together. Let's learn and grow. And yeah, till the next time, guys, please like, subscribe, share, comment, comment down any video ideas that you have for me. Anything that you want me to test, any AI tool suggestions, you name it, I'm game. I am driven to provide you guys value, and I have experiments I want to run as well. So, yeah, thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this, you can see the next video over here.